This is the 13th tutorial in the Rookie series of Final Cut Pro Beginner's Lessons. In the past lesson, you frequently looked at the inspector. This lesson will round out your knowledge of the inspector. Use your My First Edit project or follow from here. We've completed Lesson 12. Click the eye above to access Lesson 1 that has the details on how to download the course material. As you've seen in previous lessons, the inspector allows you to adjust the settings of clips in the timeline. Well, the inspector doesn't just work with the timeline. It'll also tell you about clips in the browser and more. Select a video clip in the browser, click the tab with the eye in the white circle at the top of the inspector. And a tip, the tab that's currently selected in the inspector will be blue. You'll see information about how this clip was recorded, its format, as well as if it's optimized or a proxy file. At the bottom you can select more detailed views. Select Extended, and this is a good time to see how to view more of the inspector. Double-click the black bar at the top, to the right of the tabs. The view of the inspector lengthens. Now select a project in the browser. It's got a black and grey clapperboard above it. The I tab will allow you to modify the format of that project. Now click the Trident tab. If this project had been exported, you'd be able to see where it had been exported to. You'd be able to select Reveal in Finder, and that's really helpful when you've forgotten to where your project was previously saved on your computer. Let's review how you've used the inspector in previous lessons. Double-click the black bar at the top of the inspector to collapse it again. Now select the title The Winner in the timeline. You'll see at the top of the inspector 5 different tabs, and these will vary depending on what type of clip you've selected in the timeline. The T tab will appear when you've selected a title or a generator. Next is the Text tab, which will appear when there is text to adjust. You can change the words, the font, the settings, as well as the colour. Move down the inspector, click Show to the right of Face. Click the coloured rectangle, the colour wheels appear. Above Face is a checkbox for 3D text. If you'd like more information on that, click the eye above. The other tabs are best discussed with a photo as a connected clip. Click the playhead in the timeline above 16. Select one of the still images in the browser. Press Q. Make sure that the photo is selected in the timeline, and with the playhead over it, now select the Film Strip tab. At the bottom you can select Fill to the right of Spatial Conform. At the top of the inspector, the opacity slider is currently at 100%. Drag it to the left. You'll start to see the clip below showing through. Return it to 100%. Click on Normal in the blend mode, and there are a number of different options here to try out. The results will vary with different clips. Finally, for this session, I'll show you how to stabilize a shaky video. And as I've said in previous videos, there are no magic bullets, and this also applies to stabilization, but it will help improve an image. And once you've added stabilization, I'd suggest you review the results because the original unstabilized clips may be better anyway. In the timeline, select clip 17 at the beginning of the video. In the inspector, click the Film Strip tab. At the bottom, click Stabilization. And you'll see in the viewer, Analyzing for Dominant Motion will show for a moment. That's while the effect renders. This can be a lengthy process for long clips and slower computers. When you play this clip now, it'll be more stable. I'm not going to discuss the audio and the colour tabs in this exercise as they were done in detail in lessons 11 and 12, that's audio and colour. Nearly there, rookies, only 2 more lessons to go. And the next will give you a taste of keyframing. That's how you animate images in Final Cut Pro. If you're looking for one-on-one tuition with Final Cut Pro, just click on trainingfinalcutpro.com and I'd be happy to set up a personalised training program. But if you're just looking for answers on a specific topic, I can offer free Final Cut Pro support via email for urgent issues as you're confronted with them. Let me know in the comments below if you've got areas that you struggle with in Final Cut, and I'd be happy to produce a YouTube video to help you solve those issues. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell. There are new videos every Sunday.